Hello, my dear guest. Today, let's talk about the features that was added in Angular 14 and improved in Angular 15, and it's called functional guards. So let's go straight into our code and see the difference between simple guards and now functional guards. So I've already created a guard that in 90% of the cases, you will have a service that you call the backend and you will get a value. In our case, we will have customer service with get customer permissions and it will always return true. But this is just to show you how you can write this code now with functional guards. And this is now so simple that it can be even one line. So we can, in ConnectAwait, we can import function that will return. And here we will inject. We'll have customer's service and get customer permissions. So now, instead of creating the whole guard that looks like this, what we can do, we can just inject a service and call a method. And now let's go and check. So when we navigate to our form, as you can see, customer permissions is completed. And we go here and here our console log. But we can improve a little bit and make it more readable. So we can have a function that will say permissions guard. And we can make it a little bit readable. Here we will have customer's service, inject customer service. And instead, in ConnectAwait this function, we can import our permission guard. Also, like with ordinal guard, it will take root and state as parameters. And now if we check, we can see that our guard works. Functional guards gives you even more flexibility. There is no need to create a special guard for like edge cases. Maybe you need to combine guards or the order of the guards is important to you. Right now, you can achieve the same with functional guards. And also you can use your old guards. So in this case, let's say I want to use my old guard. So we'll say first guard equals to new first guard. And here we will need to inject customer service, but we can make a small rewrite this guard. In this case, we will use inject for our customer service. Inject, and let's say customer service. In this case, we don't need to import it, and it's much easier to use. Because if you use in different places, then you don't need to inject customer service and import it in constructor. And now what we can do, for example, is pipe merge map. And let's return first guard, ConnectAwait, and here we just need to root and state to pass. Because ConnectAwait, if we look, it takes root and state. So just to summarize, functional guards makes creating guards very easy without any boilerplate. And also combining guards is now super easy. So I hope it helps you and never isolate yourself. Have a great day. Bye.